Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. To my subscribers, welcome back. To my new people, welcome. Why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button right now? I'll be sharing some videos with you that will have important information that I want to share with you guys over the next few weeks, and I don't want you to miss out. I want you to be a part of the Jaguar Top Repair team. So today's video is basically going to be for my new people, right? Chances are if you're watching this video, you're having a problem with the convertible top. I get it. So allow me to introduce myself for just a moment. As I mentioned, my name is Marvin and I own and operate JaguarTopRepair.com. Essentially, what I do is this. I travel the country repairing convertible tops right in your driveway. So if you're driving a 1997 through 2016 Jaguar XK8, XKR, or XK, you're in the right place. Pick up the phone, give me a call, and I will be able to repair your convertible top. So to my new people, chances are you were driving the convertible and you pull up at a restaurant, or you pull up at your kids' play, or you're shopping. And you get in the car and you work the convertible top, and guess what? Nothing. Top doesn't work, or you're getting leaks. Not good. What I want you to do at that point is pick up the phone and give me a call. Good chance I'll be able to walk you through how to get your top in a position where you can operate the car safely. What I like about me and my business and the service that I provide is I am 24 hours. You can call me anytime, 24 hours a day, and I got your back. I'll be able to help you get to where you're trying to go safely. Now, after that initial phone call, what I want you to do is I want you to go down to the dealership, let them diagnose exactly what's wrong with the car, and get a handwritten estimate. The reason I want you to get an estimate is I want you to see what the Jaguar dealership charges for the repair that I do at a more reasonable price. But you won't believe me unless you have that paper in your hand. So after you get that paper, that estimate, give me a call. Let me know what that final number is. I have two things going for me that you're gonna love. One, I have a low price guarantee. I don't care where you get your pricing from, I will be able to beat that price better and more reasonably priced than anybody who you can come in contact with. Second thing is I give all of my clients a 5-year warranty on all of my repairs, no exceptions. And the third thing is I give three references of guys whose cars I've worked on recently. Pick up the phone, give me a call, ask for references, give me your repair estimate from the dealership. I will be able to beat that price hands down, and I work right in your driveway. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. So pick up the phone, give me a call at 888-317-9340. That's 888-317-9340. Thank you again for visiting. Hit that subscribe button now if you haven't done it already. Pick up the phone, call me. We'll be talking soon. Bye.